Hi guys, just want to do a quick video on Chicken Farm 41 about, just chickens eating an old chicken pot pie, but that was not on purpose. I did not even know that it was there. They had it eaten. It was like the bread there at the top, but what are you doing? But yeah, but there's blueberries in there too, so Johnny likes the camera almost even. I think he does more than Bob did. Chad likes it too. He just doesn't come around here because there's that white chicken down there that constantly beats Chad up. Even though Chad's way bigger. That's not Chad, by the way. That's just another random chicken. They're almost done with it, but Hi, Johnny. Hi, Senior. Hello. That white hen right there behind him. That one, not that one walking right there. Yeah, that one. She is really pretty. She's almost like flat white. Whereas she's more of a grayish color. Pikachu. No, guys, I don't like Pokemon. It's horrible. I just said that because, I don't know. Just said it. All having a heyday over this. Blueberries and some green beans, and a little bit of chicken, and some filling and some carrots, and Oh, okay. It's a weird way to eat, but that's alright. See if we can zoom in on her. He found him some bread. You just stole it! Yeah, I think the action's pretty much done, so. Alright, guys. I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe. Comment. I don't know what you can comment about, but at least subscribe and like, and, yeah. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.